Welcome back to my channel. Do you know that I teach sewing skills to build a handmade wardrobe online? Like, not just YouTube? That's right! I created a class to help you become a confident sewist. Here's a look at the second class in my learning path. What's so exciting about patterns is that they open up the world of garment creation to you with easy-to-follow guides. So if you know your way around a sewing machine, you're able to dive straight into making clothes that look like the picture, and I love that. Hi, my name is Robin Andrea Burgess. I'm a sewist and founder of Styles InSeams, a fit-obsessed sewing blog and indie pattern business. I started sewing 6 years ago after decades of struggling to find clothes that fit my 6'2" body, my budget, and my bold, cheerful style. I taught myself how to design and sew a handmade wardrobe. Now, I'm proud to say that I've not bought clothes since 2018. Everything I wear, I create from my imagination and my sewing machine. If I can learn this craft, so can you. In this class, we're going to level up your skills by starting to create a beautiful dress using a sewing pattern. I'll teach you how to find the right pattern for you. Choose fabric, prepare the pattern, and then use it as a guide to sew your garment. You should take this class if you're comfortable with basic stitches on your sewing machine and ready to jump into dressmaking. Sewing patterns will unlock a lifetime of sewing stylish garments. You can follow along with the pattern I'm using, or you can use what you learn here for any pattern on the market. Either way, I can't wait to see what you create. Let's get started. Chef's kiss to the team at Skillshare for their hard work in producing this class with that level of quality. We spent a week on set with 4 4K cameras capturing every angle, every stitch, every move, so you can see exactly all of the steps of the sewing process. Learn to sew custom clothing from scratch with me. Click the link in my description to get access to this full class. Using my link, you'll get 1 free month of access to Skillshare's learning platform. Yes, you can go right now and watch this class for free, but I'm betting you'll want to stick around with me on Skillshare to keep leveling up throughout your sewing journey. This is the second class in my learning path, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to get into dressmaking. You'll learn how to pick the right sewing pattern, how to measure your body, choose a size or grade between the sizes, select fabric and notions, cutting your pattern in fabric, sewing darts and gathers, finishing seams, and making a dress. We'll cover the fundamentals of sewing with patterns, and you can really use these skills for any pattern that you want to make. If you want to learn how to sew your own clothes and build a handmade wardrobe, this is the juice. Again, click the link in my description to get access to this class and all of the classes in my learning path. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to like this video, drop me a comment, and subscribe for more content on sewing, DIY, and lifestyle. I hope to see you again soon.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is